Let's talk about feelings in English. Do you want to express your feelings in English like a native speaker? Watch this. Excited, excited, excited. I'm excited for the weekend. I'm excited for the weekend. I'm excited for the weekend. Nervous, 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 nervous. He's nervous before the interview. He is nervous before the interview. He's nervous before the interview. Grateful, grateful, grateful. I'm grateful for you. I'm grateful for you. I'm grateful for you. Tell me in the comments, how are you feeling today? English at the airport. Traveling soon? You need these words. Passport, passport, passport. Don't forget your passport. Don't forget your passport. Passport, passport. Boarding pass, boarding pass, boarding pass. Here is my boarding pass. Here is my boarding pass. Here is my boarding pass. Luggage, luggage. Where is my luggage? Where is my luggage? Luggage. Where is my luggage? Save this for your next trip. English for shopping in 30 seconds. Discount, discount, discount. Is there a discount on this one? Is there a discount on this one? Is there a discount on this one? Receipt, receipt, receipt. Here is your receipt. Here is your receipt. Here is your receipt. Try on, try on, try on. Can I try this on? Can I try this on? Try on. Comment if you love shopping. Speaking about time, do you want to sound fluent when speaking about time? Try these expressions. Schedule, 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 schedule. Let's schedule the meeting. Let's schedule the meeting. Let's schedule the meeting. Soon, soon. Dinner is ready soon. Dinner is ready soon. Dinner is ready soon. Early, early. He always arrives early. He always arrives early. Early. He always arrives early. Late, late, late. She's running late. She's running late. She is running late. When are you most productive? Early or late? Leave that in the comments below. Let's upgrade your phone English in 30 seconds. Signal, signal. I have no signal here. I have no signal here. I have no signal here. Voicemail, voicemail. Leave me a 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 voicemail. Missed call. Missed call. Missed call. I have 3 missed calls. I have 3 missed calls. Hang up. Hang up. Hang up. Why did you hang up? Call your friend and bring your confidence back. Do you want to speak about your daily routine like a native speaker? Try these. Wake up, wake up, wake up. I wake up at 5 a.m. 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 Brush, brush. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. Commute, commute, commute. I commute to work by my car. I commute to work by my car. I commute to work by my car. Sleep, sleep. I sleep at 11 p.m. I sleep at 11 p.m. I sleep at 11 p.m. Going to the doctor? Learn these expressions fast. Fever, fever, fever. He has a fever. He has a fever. He has a fever. Cough. He has a dry cough. He has a dry cough. Medicine, medicine. Take this medicine twice a day. Take this medicine twice a day. Take this medicine twice a day. I have pain in my back. 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 Your health is your words. Be prepared. Let's talk about weather like a pro. Sunny, sunny, sunny. It's sunny today. It's sunny today. It's sunny today. Cloudy, cloudy, cloudy. The sky is cloudy. The sky is cloudy. The sky is cloudy. Storm, storm, storm. A big storm is coming. A big storm is coming. A big storm is coming. Humid, humid, humid. It's very humid in Baghdad. It's very humid in Baghdad. It's very humid in Baghdad. Describe your weather right now in English in the comment. Let's zoom in on your English for online meetings. Mute, mute. Please mute your microphone. Please mute your microphone. Please mute your microphone. Lag, lag, lag. You're lagging. You're lagging. You're lagging. Connection, connection. Connection, 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 connection. The connection is weak. The connection is weak. The connection is weak. Share screen. Share screen. Share screen. Can you share your screen? Can you share your screen? Share. Comment if you ever said, "Can you hear me?" If you want to order food in English, try this. Menu. Menu. Can I see the menu? Can I see the menu? Can I see the menu? Order. 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 I'll order a little burger. 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 A little burger. I'll order a little meal. I'll order a burger. I'll order a burger. Waiter. 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 Excuse me, waiter. Excuse me, waiter. Excuse me, waiter. Bill or check. They're both British and American. Can I have the check, please? Can I have the check? Can I have the check? Can I have the check? Practice ordering like a foodie. Do you want to sound human? Express feelings like this. Confused, confused, confused. I'm confused about this rule. I'm confused about this rule. I'm confused about this rule. Relaxed, relaxed. I feel relaxed on Fridays. I feel relaxed on Fridays. I feel relaxed on Fridays. Proud, proud. I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you. Shy, Shy. He's a little shy. He is a little shy. He is a little shy. What's one word that describes you? Leave it in the comments. Talking about your house in English, use these words. Living room, living room, living room. Kitchen, kitchen, kitchen. Bathroom, bathroom, bathroom. Balcony, balcony, balcony. She drinks tea on the balcony. She drinks tea on the balcony. She drinks tea on the balcony. Which room do you love most at home? Leave it in the comment. Emergency. These words can really save you. Help, 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 help. Call an ambulance. Call an ambulance. Call an ambulance. Fire, fire, fire. There is a fire. There is a fire. There is a fire. Police, police, police. Call the police. Call the police. Call the police. You have to always know how to ask for help. Have a good day. Are you going somewhere? Learn transport words in 30 seconds. Bus, bus, bus. Taxi, taxi. Train, train, train. Flight, flight. My flight is delayed. My flight is delayed. My flight is delayed. Comment with your favorite way to travel. Do you like smart tech words? Try these. App, app. Download this app now. Download this app now. Download this app now. Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi. Do you have a Wi-Fi? Do you have a Wi-Fi? Do you have a Wi-Fi? Update, update. You need to update your phone. You need to update your phone. You need to update your phone. Log in. Log in. I can't log in. I can't log in. Log in. Log in. I can't log in. Your English just got a tech upgrade. How to make plans in English? Very easy. Plan. Plan. Meet. 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 Tomorrow, 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 tomorrow. Later, later, later. Let's meet later. Let's meet later. Let's meet later. If you want to make a plan, use English to do it. Do you want to talk about people clearly and loudly? Try these. Tall, tall, tall. Short, short. Kind, kind, kind. Funny, funny, funny. Describe your best friend in 3 words in the comments below. Do you want to sound more positive in English? Try these. Amazing, amazing. Great, great. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Perfect, perfect. You did a perfect job. You did a perfect job. You did a perfect job. Say one positive thing today. Foodies. Learn how to talk about food in English. Delicious, 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 delicious. Spicy, spicy, spicy. Salty, salty, salty. Sweet, sweet. I love sweet desserts. I love sweet desserts. What's your favorite flavor? Comment below. Do you know how to connect sentences like a professional? And, but, because, so, I was tired, so I slept. I was tired, so I slept. Small words, but big fluency. One word, one opposite. Fast English tips. Hot, cold, hot, cold, big, small, big, small, fast, slow, fast, slow. This car is fast. This car is slow. Write one pair of opposites in the comments below. Let's talk hobbies in English. Read, read, draw, draw, play, play, cook, cook. I love to cook on the weekends. I love to cook on the weekends. What's your favorite hobby? Tell us a secret about you. Do you struggle with days in English? Let's fix it now. Sunday, Sunday or Sunday. Monday or Monday. Tuesday, Tuesday, Tuesday. Wednesday, Wednesday or Wednesday. Thursday, Thursday. Friday, Friday. Saturday, Saturday. What's your favorite day of the week? Of course, Friday for me.